Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 17. Find the coordinates on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point, right? Here the statement, you have to read it clear twice, thrice, understand and then proceed. See, using one particular area alone, I'm going to give a solution. Using one particular part alone, right? That I'm going to underline. You have to see slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. What it is given, slope of the tangent means how to denote slope of the tangent, how you have to denote dy by dx. dy by dx equal to y. That is the meaning. Slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate means dy by dx equal to y. That's it. Using that, we are going to find the points on the curve. Whatever it is, the first step you want to differentiate, right? The given curve equation you want to differentiate with respect to x. Solution. Given y is equal to x cube. Given y is equal to x cube. The next step, what do you want to do? You want to differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to 3x square, right? Using the derivative of x power n. Using the derivative of x power n. What it is? Anyone you have to respond? Yeah, very good. N into x power n minus 1, right? Now, slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate. It is given to you, right? It is given. That means what does it mean? That is given slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate. What it is? Y coordinate, which implies slope of the tangent should be represented by what? dy by dx, which is equal to y. That is the meaning. Then you go and substitute because you know what is dy by dx and y. Using that, we are going to get a value of x, and then you substitute in the curve equation, you will get it as the value of y. Then finally, you should write it as an ordered pair. It will give you the point on the curve, what they are expecting in the question, right? See here. dy by dx, what it is? Anyone? Yeah, very good. dy by dx is nothing but your differentiation that you got it as 3x square. What is your y? That is your x cube, right? Now, x cube minus 3x square equal to 0. You are making a cubic equation, right? Now, x square, you have to take it as a common. Then what should be the rest? X minus 3 equal to 0. Now, x square equal to 0. That it gives you x is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies x is equal to 3. What are the points you found for x? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. That you go and substitute in the given curve equation, right? What is your given curve equation? Y is equal to x cube, right? When x is equal to 0, what is your y? Y is equal to x cube. Then y is equal to 0 cube, which implies y is equal to 0, right? When you substitute x is equal to 0, y is also 0. Now, next part. Y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to x cube, then y is equal to 3 cube, which implies y is equal to 27. What they are expecting in the question, find the points on the curve. What are the points we found? See, you write it in the ordered pair, that is 0, 0 and 3, 27. Now you have to write the solution. Therefore, the required points, therefore, the required points, are 0, 0 and 3, 27, right? Again, I will explain to you children. You have to listen carefully, right? Find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. That statement only will give you an idea to solve the problem. Which statement? Slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Using that, we are going to solve. Your equation is y is equal to x cube. First step you want to do dy by dx, that is your 3x square. Then you come to the next part, that is slope of the tangent equal to y coordinate, that is given to you. Slope of the tangent is replaced by what? Dy by dx. Y coordinate is y. Then 3x square equal to x cube. Here you are going to make it as a cubic equation. Better you don't cancel, right? X cube minus 3x square equal to 0. Then you are arriving, then you have to take a x square as common, right? X square as common. Then x minus 3 equal to z. X square into x minus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0. Two things. Factorization, you know how to equate with 0. Then x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. You are getting two values of x. Then you substitute x is equal to 0 in y, you arrived y is equal to 0. When you substitute x is equal to 3, you arrived y is equal to 27. Now the required points are 0, 0 and 3, 27. Now I am going to move to the next question, right? Now you see, for the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Passes through the origin means, what does it mean? The origin should be represented by the coordinates are 0, 0, right? Whatever it is, first step you want to differentiate. First step, what do you want to do? Differentiation, right? Solution. Given y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. The x power n, the derivative of x power n only play a vital role here, right? Now, y dash, that is dy by dx equal to 12 into x square. What it is? 12 into x square minus 10x power 4, right? N into x power n minus 1. That concept you are applying and you differentiated, right? Slope of the tangent. What it is? Slope of the tangent at point x comma y, right? Slope of the tangent at point x comma y is 12x square minus 10x power 4. Here you have to write slope of the tangent at the point x1 comma y1 for your understanding purpose, right? Therefore, slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent at slope of the tangent at point what? Anyone, you people should say at point x comma y is what? 12x square minus 10x power 4, right? Sorry, children. 12x square minus 10x power 4 is 12x square minus 10x power 4. Next, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at x comma y. At x comma y. Sorry. At x comma y is, what is your formula normally? Y minus y1 equal to, that formula I am writing in the right side, you see, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here my x1 and y1 is xy. The small y, small x I am going to replace in terms of capital X, capital Y. Right? Small y equal to capital Y. I am going to assume small y equal to capital Y, small x equal to capital X, x1 as x, y1 as y. Like that I am assuming here, right? Now the same formula I am going to use it here, but it should be replaced in terms of capital X, capital Y, small x, small y, right? Small y, what I said, capital Y minus what? X, y minus y1, small y equal to m into capital X minus small x. I hope you people understand the same formula. For our convenience, I modified, right? Here capital X and capital Y is represented your origin, right? Capital X and capital Y, it represents your origin because it is given in your question. The tangent passes through the what? Origin, right? The tangent passes through the origin, it is given to you. The tangent passes through when the tangent passes through the origin, what it is given? 0, 0. That I assumed as capital X, capital Y, right? Capital X equal to capital Y equal to 0. Now I am going to substitute the value in the equation, right? Which equation? This is your equation number 1. Substitute capital X equal to capital Y equal to 0 in equation 1. Now how it becomes, you see, 0 minus y equal to, you know your m, right? Dy by dx. What it is? Dy by dx you found 12x square, right? 12x square minus 10x power 4, right? 12x square minus 10x power 4 into 0 minus x, right? 0 minus x. Now, what is your y? You know very well, right? First of all, you simplify this. Minus y equal to 12 into x square. That you have to write it inside the bracket because it is a combination. Minus 10x power 4 bracket minus x. See here, in between multiplication, both the left hand side and right hand side you have negative, so you can cancel, right? You can cancel. When the cancellation is possible, that you should know, right? In between multiplication symbol is there, so that I'm going to cancel, right? Why? Cancel. Minus minus. Now, which implies y is equal to 12x square minus 10x power 4 into what? Anyone? Into x, right? Into x. See here, what is your y? Y is 4x cube minus 2x power 5, right? Y is what? 4x cube minus 2x power 5 is equal to, y should be replaced by the given format. Use x and multiply. What you will get? 12x cube minus 10x power 5. Now we have to shift all the terms to that side or this side. 12x cube minus 10x power 5 minus 4x power 3 plus 2x power 5 equal to 0, right? This one you people understand, right, children? Yeah, you have to be attentive. Listen the class, right? 12x cube minus 4x cube. What you arrive? 8x cube, right? See here. 8x cube minus 8x power 5 equal to 0. Here, which are the things are common? You have to see 8x cube is common, right? 8x cube is common. 8x cube, you should take it as a common. Then you write 1 minus x square equal to 0, right? Now, x is equal to 0. X cube equal to 0 because 8 not equal to 0 but x cube equal to 0, comma 1 minus x square equal to 0. X cube equal to 0 is nothing but what? X is equal to 0. X square equal to 1, which implies x is equal to plus or minus 1. Right? You understand the concept, children? Right? Now we arrived x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. That you go and substitute in the y, right? Then you will get it as a y value, right? See here, what is your y? Y is equal to, x is equal to 0, substitute x is equal to 0 in y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. This is your y, right? Now, when you substitute x is equal to 0, what is your y? Which implies y is equal to 4 into 0 cube minus 2 into 0 power 5, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. What is your y now? Y is equal to 0. So, one ordered pair you arrived as x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Next, substitute when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 power 5. What it is? 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So, your y is equal to 2. Next, when x is equal to minus 1, because you are arrived, when you are taking square root, you should get the value of positive and negative. Y is equal to 4 into minus 1 the whole power 3 minus 2 into minus 1 the whole power 5. One thing you have to listen carefully, children. -1, the whole power odd integer is -1, right? So what you will get in the first part, -4. In the second part, you see -1, the whole power 5, it is a odd integer, negative. Already negative is there, so negative into negative, positive. Your result is -2, which implies y is equal to -2, right? I hope you people understood. Now the required, they are expecting only the points only, no? In the question, what they are expecting? For the curve, find all the points. Find all the points. So the required points are, therefore, therefore, the required points are 0, 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, right? And what are the things? 0, 0, 1, 2, and -1, -2. Again, I'm going to explain. You have to listen carefully, children, right? Now you see, first of all, you should read the question, understand, and then proceed, right? Then only it is easy. Sometime you will get an idea immediately. Sometime you have to read twice, thrice. Then only you will get an idea, right? First step you see y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x power 5. The next step you differentiated. That's all. You have no issue in that, right? 12x square minus 10x power 4. Slope of the tangent at the point x comma y. Slope of the tangent at the point, right? At the point x comma y is 12x square minus 10x power 4. Next, equation of the tangent at x comma y is, the formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus y x1. Here for our convenience, I modify the formula. That's all. I didn't disturb anything. The variable alone I modify. Small y I consider as capital Y. Small x I consider as capital X. X1 I consider as X. Y1 I consider as Y. Because the point I consider as X comma Y. For that purpose, right? Equation of the tangent at X comma Y is capital Y minus small y equal to m into capital X minus x1. Next, here the point is given as the tangent passes through the origin. That means 0, 0. Capital X and Y, it represents your 0. Capital X and Y, it represents 0. That you substitute in the equation number 1. You arrived minus y equal to m, 12x square minus 10x power 4 into 0 minus x. Then you arrived minus y equal to 12x square minus 10x power 4 minus x. Here in between multiplication, both the sides you have negative, so you cancelled, right? Next, y is equal to 12x square minus 10x power 4 into x. Using x, you have to multiply. You arrive 12x cube minus 10x power 5 in the right hand side. Your y value is in the given equation that you have to substitute. Right now, 12x cube minus 10x power 5 minus 4x cube plus 2x power 5 equal to 0. You are subtracting. Then you get it as 8x cube minus 8x power 5 equal to 0, which is common, that you are going to take it as a term outside. That is 8x cube minus 8x cube into 1 minus x square equal to 0. X cube equal to 0, 1 minus x square equal to 0. x is equal to 0. X cube equal to 0 is nothing but x is equal to 0. X square equal to 1. X is equal to plus or minus 1. So you arrived the point as x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. That you substitute in the given equation. When you substitute x is equal to 0, you arrive y equal to 0. When you substitute x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. When you substitute x is equal to minus 1, you arrived the result as y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the required points are 0, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. Right? Thank you, children. Tomorrow I will continue. Right?